Welcome back. We're moving towards filling out our Food Vision Big demo directory. So we have an app we can deploy to Hugging Face Spaces. And now we're up to putting an example in the examples directory, because after all, that's what a demo is about, right? Showing off what our model can do. So let's go downloading an example image and moving it to the examples directory. So of course, you could put any image you want into this examples directory. You could randomly select images from the Food 101 data set. You could put your own images in there. I would suggest that they have the same, or it has the same classes as Food 101 class name. So you can demonstrate, or you might want to demonstrate where the model doesn't work. And we'll talk about that later on. So yeah, something like this. You may have a photo of ice cream, or some grilled salmon that you've cooked, or maybe some garlic bread. Your favorite food, you could put it in here, but I'm gonna put in Pizza Dad because, well, we've been using that the whole course. So I'm gonna copy the raw link here, the download button, by going PyTorch Images Pizza Dad. So if we come back into here, I'm going to first download and move example image. So I can download it with wget, and then I can move. That's going to download a file called 04 Pizza Dad, which has come with us all the way from section 4. And then demos, I'm going to move it into Food Vision Big / examples / 04 Pizza Dad.jpg, and we'll see how that goes. Shouldn't take too long. Beautiful, there we go. Let's just make sure it's in the examples directory. Wonderful, that's exactly what we want. And now we can move our model. How about we move our model from here? We have a big model here, Food 101 20%. We can move that into Food Vision Big as well. We could drag and drop it from Colab, but I might just go MV models 09. I might copy this path here actually, rather than type it all out. Content, I'm going to get rid of that. And then where do we want to move it to? Well, of course we want to move it to demos, Food Vision Big, and we'll see how that goes. So it should move from here into here, Food Vision Big. There we go, wonderful. Now, of course, if we try to run this again, it's going to error. Well, you wrote some code before in the Food Vision Mini section to make sure that this doesn't error, but this is all right for now. We just run it once and it moves in here and it lives there now. So we've moved our example and we've moved our model. What else do we have to do? Well, we have to create a classnames.txt file. We haven't seen that before. So let's do that in the next video. You might want to give it a shot. What we're going to do is turn this list into a TXT file. So just a plain text file with one food per line in the text file. So give that a shot of writing that to file, and we should have Food 101 classnames.txt in Food Vision Big. I'll see you in the next video.